Hey everyone, it's Joanna here from Inspired by Stamping, and welcome to our newsletter Christmas video tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this Merry Christmas card featuring our Winter Friends stamp set, our Festive Greetings stamp set, and I'm also going to be sharing with you a bow. We'll also add some sequences to our card, and I've already posted all the dimensions on our blog post for you. It's just so easy so you can follow along with us. And here I'm sharing what I'm using. This is 4 1/4 by 8 1/2 with a score line in the middle. And I've also cut out all the pattern paper in our layers too. And this is our crumb cake, and then what I usually do is cut it by 1/8 of an inch with our pattern paper. And I'm just using some old scrap paper, and this is 2 by 4, and this is 3 1/4 by 4, and I have a little bit of an overlap over there. And then this is 3 1/4 by 4 too, and then this is 3 by 4, and that's what we're going to use to stamp our images on. I'm also using our stamp sets. And here they are. We're going to use the Christmas tree and the bunny from Winter Friends. I'm going to use the Merry Christmas from Festive Greetings, and then this little snowflakes from Tree of Seasons stamp set. I'm also grabbing some Christmas ribbon that we have. I'm going to use the white for the bow. And we're also going to be using our sequences that was in a previous newsletter, but I'll also be adding it to this card today. So let's go through our pads. We're using Garden Green, Riding Hood Red, Stampin' Up for Pool Party for our snowflakes, Daffodil Delight for that cute little star, and Going Gray for the bunny. So you can use any colors that you prefer. Don't forget about our tape and our 450 quick dry, which is my favorite glue. We're also going to grab our Copic markers, and today I am using the YG17 and the gray, which is C0, just for the coloring of that bunny. We'll go through step by steps of Copic coloring. So I'll see you in the classroom.